If you're like me and you're tired of running into different data limits on Google Drive and different cloud storage platforms, and you just want to self-host, or maybe just to have an extra copy locally as well as in the cloud, what you can do is install a program called Immich. In order to do this, we're going to go ahead and create a folder path on the drive that you want to store your photos and videos on. So I went ahead and named this Immich and config. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this file path here, and we're going to go ahead and cd into that. Now that we're in this file path, we're going to go ahead and run a command that I'll have in the description. Go ahead and download our Docker Compose, and we're going to go ahead and also get the environment variables here. Next, we're going to go to our file path. We're going to find our .env here, and we're going to open it with Notepad++ or whichever notepad you'd like. And you can see here is where you can change upload locations, database location. We can go ahead and uncomment this here and change our time zone. And the rest of this I'm going to leave default. You can change your database username and database name here and password as well. So go ahead and save this. And we'll come back to our terminal on Docker Desktop. And as long as we're still in the same file path, we can go ahead and type Docker Compose up-d. Go ahead and let this run. And now that that's finished in our containers tab, we can see that we have a drop down here with all of our containers inside of it. And we can see that we have a port here. So we can go to localhost :2283. We can click on that and that'll go ahead and open up in your browser. And now we can go through the setup. So click getting started. We can enter an admin email. Go ahead and enter a password. And a name. Click sign up, and now we can go ahead and log in. All right, and now that we're in, go ahead and pick a theme, dark or light theme. Sorry for the flashbang there. English. Go ahead and leave these on here. I'm gonna leave everything default. Go to backups. So the 3-2-1 backup method, basically you can have one unredundant or redundant system at your house in one location, but say something happens like a fire, you most likely want to have a cloud backup or an offsite backup at a different location in case of natural disaster or something happening to that location. Next, we can move to the mobile app. So if you want to download a mobile app here so you can manage everything automatically, it can automatically upload all your files and videos from your phone. You can disable things like Google Photos and whatnot and just move purely to Immich. And just like that, we're good to go. So we can go up here and we can upload photos. So we can upload this one, for example, right here. And here it is, just like that. There's a bunch of different features that you can do. So we can go to administration, settings, and there are a whole lot of different things that you can configure in here. So you can enable metadata, you can enable map and GPS settings. There's a ton of different stuff on here. So I recommend looking through and toying with a couple themes or things and themes and whatnot to make it more personalized. But that's the general gist of it. I have this installed on my home Linux server. So if you're interested in a setup guide on that, it's exactly the same setup guide as I just did here on Windows, but a little bit more involved if you're unfamiliar with Linux. But now that I have that installed, I can have everything automatically backed up from my phone and my wife's phone to our Immich server. And with that said, if anybody has any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And I'll make sure to put the commands that I used in the video so they're easy to paste, along with the documentation for Immich in the description. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe.